What do you do?
Right now I'm going to school. I was going to school. I'm doing welding school.
Welding. No, that's good. That's a good.
Yes, I want to become a welder. I
Well-
need something sturdy and reliable that always going to be there.
Yeah. Are you? Welding, I guess, is a great occupation, right? Particularly when they build these high rises.
Yes.
You know, they're going to be building what they call the Fane Tower, which will be the tallest building in Providence pretty
Providence.
soon, right?
I'm looking forward. Hopefully, I can get a job there.
Yeah, the gentleman that's building is named Jason Fane. He's a fine gentleman. And actually, are you afraid of heights?
No.
So, Inspector Quinn, are you good on heights?
That's why I'm a policeman, Judge, not a fireman.
I want to be.
That's why they're afraid to give me a raise.
Yeah.